My favorite people, I hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your exchanger and how to claim your token. All right, as you can see, the claim has just appeared. The claim is here already, and I got this from their official Twitter. I'm going to go to the Twitter and read the comment, the last comment they posted, and here it is. Now it is ready to claim. All right, so let me show you. When you go back here, home page, you see Twitter account here. When you touch the Twitter account here, it is going to, we are going to the Twitter account, which is here. All right, so this is the Twitter account. So I guess they changed the claiming hours. All right, they changed the claiming hours. They have changed the claiming hours. This is their new updates here. They say claim or get paused. Deposit Paws to Bitget Global via Paws Web and earn extra $5 to $100 Paws with a total price pool of $4,250. Start March 13, 15 UTC. 15 UTC is equal to 3 p.m., which is the same thing to 4 p.m. Nigerian time. End March 15 the same time, 4 p.m. Nigerian time. All right, we are going to the website and we are going to claim our token. All right, so here is the website and we are going to claim our token just now. All right, so as you can see, you press next. This is the where to claim. As you can see, you press the claim button here. All right, then you press I have read and accepted Paws token airdrop conditions. Then you press continue here. When you press continue, they say centralized exchanges. All right, then you press centralized. As you can see, we have only Bitget and we have Bitget. All right, so I'm going to press on Bitget. All right, I'm going to press Bitget because they said Bitget is going to give that certain amount of something here. So when you press Bitget like this, they say, do you have a Bitget account? No. If you don't have, you touch here and create one. If you have one, you press yes I do. As you can see, I press yes I do. All right, so what you are going to do, you see Bitget user ID and deposit address. All right, so I'm going to open my Bitget like this. Here I have a Bitget here. All right, I will open our Bitget. So I have to touch my fingerprint here. So this is my Bitget. So first of all, I need to copy my user ID. Well, if you want to copy your user ID, you press up here where you see your profile here. You touch it like this. When you touch it like this, this is your user ID here. When you touch it like this, you copy it. You just need to touch where your username is here. When you touch it, you copy your user ID. Then you go back to the website here. Then you paste your user ID. All right, you paste your Bitget user ID here. As you can see, I just pasted my user ID. Then you go back here and you need to get the deposit address here. Then you come back here to the home page here. You touch assets down here. You see assets. You touch it like this. When you touch assets, it's going to bring you here. Then you touch add funds here. Add funds. Then you touch add funds here. When you touch add funds here, they will ask you, what are you going to deposit crypto? Yes. Then you touch deposit crypto here. When you touch deposit crypto here, then here is the search button. Then you search for Paws. You touch the search and you search for Paws like this. When you search for Paws, it is going to show you Paws like this. As you can see, then you copy the address like this. Then you touch the address and copy it like this. When you copy the address, then you go back to your website here. Where is the website? The website is here. Then you paste it where you see the address, deposit address here. Then you post your address here. As you can see, I posted my address. Then you press continue like this. All right, then you press confirm. Final step, you want to deposit 1,000 Paws to your Bitget account. Final step, then you press confirm like this. As you can see, I just press confirm. All right, has been selected. Bitget has been done, has been selected. Bitget. All right, Paws committee. Then you press on finish like this. You press finish. As you can see, you have done with everything like this. All right, as you can see, as easy as that. Your allocation, you can change withdrawal method. If you want to change it, you can touch down here and change your withdrawal method. And as you all know, we have only 3 days. All right, we have only 3 days. All right, so if you really enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'll keep updating with information like this. And I'm going to make a video on how to withdraw to Bybit. This is how to withdraw to Bitget, and I'm going to make a video on how to withdraw to Bybit. All right, so thank you for watching.